All right, yep. This is an 809 Dexter.
Now I don't need to remember that ad.
Yeah, because it's in the video. Old Otis. There was a note on this thing last spring, about a year ago, saying this thing was getting modernized.
Basically, they were like, we need parts, and parts don't exist, so.
Okay. Oh, yeah, I don't think they modernized anything. What was it? What did I come up here for?
What is this?
A nice little view, actually. This is a neat little building. Oh, look, this is the rooftop, actually, we're on. Interesting. This is an interesting layout to the building. Anyway.
This button has been sadly destroyed.
Just gotta push that middle part.
That's a shame.
The cap got broken off. I think that sensor's new.
I think so. They need VR in here.
They really do. Those middle black buttons.
Black button VR.
Speaking of vandal, somebody tagged up the panel.
Well, at least the COP's fine.
At least they were nice and spared the COP. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see if this thing pre-doors.
It doesn't. Oh, maybe it does.
When it actually remembers.
I guess the relay might not work correctly.
We'll go up one more floor.
Okay.
Let's be silent.
Can I get a picture of that too?
Yeah. Nice.
That's cool. We gonna take it back down then?
We can hop out here.
Okay.
Anyway, metal stairway. There goes the elevator, very slammy. And